Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got some exciting news for you, as we are going to reveal how you can secure a $500 of payday loan even if you have a bad credit and without a credit check. Yes guys, you heard me right. So please make sure to stick around to this video because we'll be sharing all the important information in this video, such as how you can get this loan, what will be the credit score you should require in order to get this loan, what will be the eligibility criteria, the documents will be needed, what are the pros and cons of these loans, and what is the important things you should know before you apply for this loan. So I'll be discussing all these things in this video, so please make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification icon, and like this video if you find it helpful. So let's get jump into this video, and let's start step by step. So what you have to do is just go to Google of your phone or laptop, PC, doesn't matter, whatever device you're using. Just go to your preferred browser and head over to Google. After that, you have to type make help of just this word, and you have to type it just like this, and you have to click on this first result, which is all loan help is here. Now let me tell you why this website is ultimate go-to resource for reviews on different loans. So yes guys, this is the website which is used for this website is used for different loan reviews, and they got all the information you need presented in a comprehensive and user-friendly way. Okay, now click on this article displayed in the first post and you'll be redirected to this post. Okay, so this article holds the key to unlocking all the juicy details about this payday loan we are discussing here in this video. Trust me guys, it's worth your time. Okay, I know you might be wondering, why am I directing you to another source? Well, it's because I want to ensure that you have access to all the essential points and don't miss out on anything important. Plus, this way you can dig deeper into the topic and have a complete understanding of the loan we are exploring today. Okay, so my friends, head over to makehelpof.com, just read this post and equip yourself with all knowledge you need to about this fantastic payday loan opportunity, and it's the perfect way to empower yourself and make informed decisions. That being said, we will discuss all these basic things such as the credit score you needed, the APR they are charging, the interest rate they are charging, the pros and cons of these loans, because I don't want this video to be lengthy. So I'll be discussing all these basic things, and in order to get all these important things, you should visit this website makehelpof.com and read the reviews over there. So let's start with the amount they are offering you. Okay, so moneymutual.com is a lender. As you might know that moneymutual.com is a peer-to-peer lender which will offer you a loan of $200 to $5,000. Okay, so moneymutual.com is a reputable online platform that connects the borrower with lenders, providing a convenient way to access the payday loans quickly. So you can just get after come to this website, you have to click on this apply now button, and make sure guys, let me tell you that this is not we are not affiliated by moneymutual.com. It's a very personal review. That's why for the convenience of our users, we have added a button here. So moneymutual.com, they have been trusted by 2 million of customers, as they are saying on their website. Also they are offer from $200 to $5,000, and you have to just in order to get the loan, you have to click on this get started button. So I'll just click on this get started button, and it will open a form like this, and it will be asking me which state do you live in. If I'm click on this Texas, then I have to provide my first name, last name, email address, and zip code, etc. So I have to complete this process by 100%, and then my application will be submitted at moneymutual.com. Okay, and then moneymutual.com will send my applications to the various lenders. Even if you or I have a bad credit, my applications will be sent to those lenders who are willing to give the loan to the people who have bad credit. So that will be the process, the whole process about getting this loan from moneymutual.com. Okay, and let's see what are the interest rate and what are the pros and cons of getting this loan from this website. Okay, so let's talk about first about the pros. So the loan amount range, you can just get the loan from $200 to $5,000. It will be needed or it will be used for your quick fix like emergency funds and emergency situations, medical expenses, etc, etc. Okay, so instant credit within 24 hours. So yes guys, they do provide the instant credit. So if you need the money right now, you can just go to this moneymutual.com and get your money within the next 24 hours. Okay, so now no minimum credit score requirement. So yes, as I said guys, this is the loan for people who have bad credit and also good credit. So the only thing that matters is your credit score, it's your APR. So the people who have a bad credit will obviously get a highest APR available there, and the people who have a good credit will get a low APR. But the important thing is everyone will be getting the loan from here. So trusted by 2 million consumers, so Money Mutual has earned a trust of vast number of borrowers who have successfully obtained the payday loans through their platform. The minimum credit score required, unlike the traditional lenders who heavily rely on the credit score, Money Mutual does not have a minimum credit score requirement. They believe in providing equal opportunities to borrowers with bad credit, allowing them to access the funds they need. So what are the cons of this loan? So that, like, while Money Mutual offers the numerous benefits, it's essential to consider the potential drawbacks. So it's not a direct lender, as I have said. It's a peer-to-peer lending platform where at one side there are borrowers, and on other side of the river there are lenders who are willing to provide loans to the borrowers. So Money Mutual act as a marketplace that connects borrowers with the lenders. So there is no minimum so there is a minimum income requirement. So while there is no strict minimum credit score requirement, Money Mutual requires an applicant to have a minimum monthly income of $800. But I have seen so much of applications that got approved even if they do not have any income proof. So rest assured for this point, and unspecified interest rates. So the main thing here is, guys, as I have said, they do not disclose on their website that like what are the interest rate they are offering, because they themselves doesn't know the interest rate they are gonna get or the consumers are gonna get, because they will be just the middle place or the marketplace. Like they doesn't know what are the interest rates they are going to like the lenders are going to provide to the borrowers. So it's completely depend upon how your application been sent to the lenders and what the lenders is applying or like charging you the interest rate. So basically on that it will be depend upon your lenders will. Okay, so that's another thing. So unspecified interest rate, that will be it. Okay, so interest rate, as I have seen, the interest rate will be in 3-digit numbers. So as you should know, or you might know, that payday loans like generally range from like 100% to 600%. Okay, so the minimum credit score required. So when applying for a payday loan through moneymutual.com, you can put your worries about your credit score aside. Okay, so Money Mutual accepts and provides instant approval for payday loans with bad credit, and you can simply visit their website of moneymutual.com and select the desired payday loan amount. The application process is quick and can be completed within just 5 minutes. Once you submitted the necessary information, you will receive an instant approval of your payday loan. So that will be the process of how you can get the loan, and the maximum payday loan amount will be $205,000. And still, guys, I still suggest that please go to this information, go to makehelpout.com and read this information before you get the loan, because it might be possible I may not able to cover all the things or all the points in this video. So that's why I'm suggesting you to make you informed decision. To make your informed decision, you need to go to this website and read this constructive information in order to make the informed decisions. Okay, how you can apply this loan? So there is a whole process written over here. You can just click on this apply now button. After that, you will be redirected to this website. You have to click or fill the form, and within 24 hours you will be granted a payday loan amount. So I hope you like this video. I hope that's it, you find it helpful, and I guess that's it for this moneymutual.com. And I hope you enjoyed this article. So I'll be meeting you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.